Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. What's for supper? Well, it's football season and my family loves sausage bread. Normally I don't make 6 loaves at once, but I'm making 3 loaves for my son-in-law for his birthday. He loves it. So I'm using the Johnsonville Italian sausage. I'm using 3 packs of the mild and 3 packs of the hot. You can use whatever your family likes. Now I have the frozen bread, 3 loaves to a pack. I'm using a total of 2 packs for 6 loaves. So I'm also using, I'm going to be lazy, I'm not going to grate my own this time. I'm using the medium cheddar cheese. This is 32 ounces and I am going to use about 2 packs of this. We like it cheesy. So I have my bread my dough all in bowls proving, and they're gonna rise. And while I'm getting that ready, I'm gonna start cooking up my sausage, just browning it. And I like it coarse. I don't like to chop it up real fine. And I like to add a little onion powder and a little garlic powder. Now you can add fresh, you can add bell pepper, you can have whatever your family would love. So this is so easy. You can even use leftover roast beef or chicken and just make any type of bread. It doesn't have to be sausage bread. So there's my dough and it's all proving, rising nicely. My sausage is about cooked and I'm going to go ahead and drain it because it does have a lot of grease in it and I don't want my sausage bread to be real greasy. So I'm getting my, I love this rolling mat. It's awesome. It sticks, it's silicone and sticks to the counter. And so there's my dough. We're going to start with loaf number 1. So I roll it out into a rectangular shape and I go ahead and I just spoon out my sausage or any meat that you would like. And I add a generous amount of the cheese. You can use cheddar, you can use mozzarella, you can use Swiss, pepper jack, whatever you like. And this is so good. My boys eat this up, and it's great for Sunday football. So fold the ends in like you would a burrito and roll over, and I'm going to pinch it together because I don't want all of that goodness to flow out. So just pinch it down, and then I'm gonna mix up an egg here, and then I'm gonna, to help seal it, I'm gonna mix this egg up, beat it up real good, and I'm just gonna add a egg wash around the edges of it so my little envelope of dough doesn't open up. I don't want all my cheese and everything to come bubbling out. I want it to stay in. So there I go, just add that on and spread it around and take your fingers and pinch up those seams so you get a good seal on that. And then go ahead, and my oven is preheated to 350 and it takes about 25 minutes to cook a loaf of bread. So here I've put it on a very old cookie sheet that I have, preheated at 350, and I'm gonna throw it in the oven. So there's loaf number 1. So I have 2 of them done. They are so good. I want to cut one open so you can see it. Okay, so I cut it open and everybody already swarmed the kitchen to have some. This is so good. I hope you guys try it. It is really, really good. And this would be good with roast beef, meatballs, anything. So easy to do. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. And to all our new subscribers, welcome. Love y'all, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.